You've been making cabbage wrong. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make garlic parmesan melting cabbage. After this video, you'll never look at cabbage the same. Let's get started. We're going to start by cutting the cabbage into 4 pieces. Be sure to start with the core, that way they can stick together and not falling apart. Going to go one more time, the middle. I'm gonna go one more time again, but make sure it's straight in the middle, okay? So into 8 pieces. Perfect, that's good. To begin, we're going to start by cooking our bacon. Now, bacon is optional for this recipe. I thought bacon goes really well with cabbage, that's why I'm adding it. All right, guys, it is time to take my bacon out. As you can see, they're nice and crispy. To the same cast iron, I'm going to place my cabbage, pan sear them, just like this, so we can have a beautiful color on there. It is time for me to flip the cabbage over. Woo! The thinner they are, the faster they'll cook. Going to flip that one as well. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. All right, we flip our cabbage. Now I'm waiting for the other side to get nice and golden brown so we can make that beautiful sauce. All right, guys, it is time to remove the cabbage. They're looking good, as you can see. Going to place them right here for now. In the same skillet, I'm going in with some butter, onion. Also, we're going in with some garlic, about a tablespoon. Going to fry that. It smells so good already. 2 ounces of cream cheese. Just add that in. Heavy whipping cream going in. And also, I have a tablespoon of cornstarch. A cup of chicken broth, I'm going to add that in, give it a mix, just like this, making a little slurry so our sauce can be nice and thick, of course. Pour that in, slowly as you stirring. Also, I'm going to season this with a little bit of Creole seasoning and my Cajun crush seasoning. However, you can use any all-purpose seasoning that you have in hand. Now, you'll find my seasoning down below, or you can go to islandvibecooking.com for the Cajun crush seasoning. All right, now I'm going to add my cabbage back in there. I'm trying to look for the pretty side. Going to place that in just like this. Now, the thinner you have your cabbage, the faster they'll cook. So I'm going to just add that in. I'm going to add my bacon. I'm leaving some of the bacon for garnish later. I'm going in with some fresh parsley as well. And also, wait for it, it's coming. We have some freshly grated Parmesan. Yes, this dish is mouth-watering, okay? You can add as much as you like. You can cover this, obviously, cook it on the stove top. However, I'm taking this in my oven so it can cook a little bit faster, uncovered, by the way, on 350 for about 20 minutes because my cabbages are thinly cut. Not thin, but not too thick. You can see me smiling. This looks absolutely delicious. It's done, as you can see. I'm just going to add some final touches, some more bacon, and of course, freshly chopped parsley. Y'all already know this is my favorite part. Let's try it. Man. Trust me, you never tried cabbage like this before. It's so good. Wow. Wow. I am shocked. Like, I was not expecting this. I give this a 10 out of 10, okay? Absolutely unexpectedly good, okay? Hope you enjoy. Please let me know, have you tried this before? It went viral on TikTok. I had to come here and show you guys my twist. Anywho, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys.